Yes, interviewer. As the head of the crew, head means underline, head means leader, captain. As the captain of the crew, head means here captain of the crew means a group of team workers. How did you involve them? Yes, it's very difficult to be a captain in a team, because when you are a leader, some students will be against for you. Yes, it is a natural. So as that, interviewer asks the question, as the captain of the crew, as the head of the crew, how did you involve the team? Bhattika Joshi, we have all sailed and trained the same amount. Underline, super beautiful lines. Okay, when you we have all sailed the trained the same amount. Underline, same amount, equal quantity. So when we are equal in this field, no problem at all. When you find you are rich, you are poor, you are simple, so you are looking like that, it will be a problem among the people. The same way, the sailors are the equal quantity, so no problem at all, no questions at all, no jealous at all. Okay, fine. So that's why we are going to school with the uniform only, that because there will not be a problem at all among the students. Okay, beautiful. We have all sailed and trained the same amount, and everybody has their own way of dealing, that means tackle. Yes, dealing means tackle with the situations. Underline, that means the posting. Yeah, but that was because all the one has some talented, so they are equal talent. That was a good thing. Yeah, it was a good thing, because we could discuss different. Underline, discuss means talk about. Discuss means talk about ways of solving the problem. Underline, problem means crisis, CRISIS, because we could discuss different ways of solving the problem. A problem, that means crisis. So they are going to meet or face any problem, they will discuss how to tackle the problem. Okay, and choose the best one, and they will select the best one who can face the problem. In fact, that means underline, really. In fact means really. I would say it was easier for us to collaborate. That means cooperate. Collaborate means, not confusion here, collaborate means cooperate and work together. Yes, as a team worker should be together and happy and hopeful and joined as a strong bonder. Yes, that's why they can achieve, that's why they can break any crisis in their life. So dear children, you have to learn from this lesson one thing. So when you are a leader, you have to cooperate with your friends that time, and team workers. Suppose you are a leader in your class, you have to cooperate with the student. At the same time, the team worker also have to follow the leader and obey and go by the rule, go by the leader. Why? Because that's why they can achieve some things. Okay, so next, the Payal Gupta. Yes, when you are out at sea, that means when you are out at sea, teamwork, that means a work of a group. Okay, teamwork means work of a group is the most important. Yeah, the group is very most in the middle of the crisis. Underline, crisis means problem. So when you are at the sea, teamwork is the most important in the middle of the crisis means problem. So as a team worker, so we have some groups in our classroom. So the problem is going towards upon you. That time, as a team worker and team leader also joined together, and you will discuss something. Yes, so how to tackle the problem, how to face this problem, and how to overcome this problem. Yes, then only you can achieve. Yes, even during some storm where 3 people would be out on watch. Yes, you are very looking forward on watch. That means on watch here, looking forward. The other 3 who would be inside wouldn't be able to rest. but they would not take rest, but they would just simply sitting or taking rest. Somebody would heat the water, that's why they do not feel any boring. Okay, the other person would heat the gloves because it was the raining also. So the team effort means, underline, effort means, hello. So yes, it was a training, the effort means try. Okay, try, attempted, attempt. Some team attempt means effort, that means try. Team try, actually, that means really helped in navigating through the 20 hours long storm. Oh my god, how the very strong people, okay, strong team workers. I feel that if I had been alone, underline, alone means lonely, then it would have been a nightmare. Nightmare means a horror, okay, or terror, to deal with the challenges that the sea throws at you. Okay, fine. So Payal Gupta says that here, the lady says that here, so if she had, if she was alone, it would not be success anything in her life. So if a team worker had achieved something in this. Okay, fine. See the next page. Yeah, so yes, it was gives us the strength to move. Sorry dear, sorry, okay. Yes, if a challenge see at the interviewer, share your interviewer, share your experiences. Interviewer, share your experiences about the most challenging, underline, trails. Challenging means trails. Task means duty while sailing. So when they were voyaging in the sea, what are the achievements, what are the challenges? Okay, how do they face the difficulties and crises during the voyage? Okay, so share your experiences about the most challenging, so the important points. Okay, the difficult task while sailing. Vartika Joshi, the sea can get really tough. Yeah, the sea can get really tough. That means tough means violent, when winds or the picking up. Okay, when the violent picking up, that means increased the sea level. Okay, so increasing their speed. So get really, underline, get really tough means become violent. Okay, become tough means violent, violent. Violent means, underline, violent means, what does it mean violent? Tough means violent. When the winds are picking up, that means increasing the speed. They are the times we have to be active. Active means busy. So when the storm is coming towards us, they will be very alert and they will be busy. They need to anticipate, underline, anticipate, that means expect. Anticipate means expect what could be there ahead. In the South Pacific, we encountered, underline, confronted, confronted a storm where the seas were almost 9 to 10 meters high. The winds were picking up to 6 to 70 knots, a unit of speed equal to 1 natural mile per hour, exactly 1.852 kilometer per hour, which is about a hurricane. Underline, hurricane means, yes, violent storm. Hurricane means violent storm. Force of wind on land. It's a normal on sea where there is a hardly, and land must to stop the winds. Okay, hardly means rarely. So but Joshi says that here it is a difficult task to face the storm in that during the voyage. Okay, and sometimes they had to face the problem, the storm for 20 hours continuously. I mean the winds, the force of the winds is 60 and 70 knots. Okay, and natural mile per hour, exactly 1.852 kilometers hours. Wow, it's a great difficult to face that voyage. Yes, so see the next video. Thank you.